So here we have the Vauxhall Crossland on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside of it, you can see that it's a 5-door car. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside, as I mentioned. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. And beneath that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They're 39,325. You can change information displayed there using buttons on the indicator stalk. So various different things, as you can see. And you'll get back round to the beginning again, where you have that digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel next, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control, speed limiter, and a heated steering wheel. On the right-hand side, phone and stereo controls. The main stereo itself is over in the centre. It's all touchscreen. You do have a few physical buttons down the bottom that you can use, for example, to access your satellite navigation. When it comes to audio in this car, we have AM, FM, and DAB radio. USB input, iPod input, and Bluetooth audio. When you connect up devices, they'll glow so that you can see that you have the relevant devices connected. If you connect your smartphone via USB, we've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available. And you connect your phone by hitting that button and following the instructions on screen from there. This car also has a full colour camera, as you can see, making it very easy to park. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can turn your air conditioning off, back on again, or hit auto. And you can hear for yourself, the car will take full control to maintain those temperatures for you. You also have a heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. 2 USB inputs underneath here and a 12-volt charging socket as well. The gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. And then these buttons just here. So we have child locks you can turn on and off. Parking sensors you can turn on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. We have lane departure warning system, tyre deflation warning system, and you can turn off your traction control for the car as well, should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.